Hey, this is Carly with Kanileʻa ʻUkulele. Over here I have a DK super tenor. So one thing about the DK model that I absolutely love is obviously the D-shaped sound hole, and combination with the side sound port, really gonna get a nice punchy clear tone to the instrument. So in this case, in the super tenor size with the wider lower bout, you're gonna get a very big sound without being extremely boomy and overwhelming in that sense, but gorgeous piece of koa, very dark piece of koa, kind of almost like two-tone split down the middle. So with that, let's hear how it sounds.